Good afternoon, and welcome to the Silly News Network. And today, boy, have we got some breaking stories for you. Let's go to our first story.
Tiny and cute kittens are organizing adorable tea parties. They have the fanciest whiskers in all of France. On July 15th, this adorable kittens organized a tea party in Paris, France. However, the party became too loud and overwhelming for the kitten citizens, causing their house to explode. This is Cute Kitten reporting from Paris, France.
Over the past 3 weeks, young students have been attacked by the clay monster. Sadly, the student is abandoned the student run away, leaving many students to the eating by the clay monster. The only 45 survivors managed to make it through the next 2 weeks. However, 2 weeks later, the police arrived to save the student. The clay monster is vanished and we don't know where they went. The good news is that you were able to rest for a day and recover. Thanks for listening.
People are celebrating today because somebody has invited a non-melting ice cream. I'm joining by Mr. Crumbs, the inventor of non-melting ice cream. Hello, Mr. Crumbs.
Hello, and what a beautiful day. Have you tried my non-melting ice cream? It's delicious and...
Why did you create non-melting ice cream?
Well, I simply love ice cream, so I changed my name from Hilarious to Mr. Crumbs. And why not create a treat that doesn't melt? Oh, I have to watch the KBBC News. Goodbye!
Wait, you're already at the news. I'm Chocolate Chips from KBBC News. Bye!